Hey, I'm Sarah. I know I just sent this set of 2 seagrass baskets. These things are really neat because you can actually just fold them up for easy storage. Comes with a little chalkboard pen because it actually has a little chalkboard on the front of each of the baskets. So if you did have this on a shelf and you wanted to know what was in there, you just write it on the chalkboard and easily be able to find it. Now to be able to use these, open it up. The bottom of them have these nice little tabs to then be able to put the base plate in there. So you just slide that in the bottom, and then you've got your chalkboard piece on both sides with a nice little handle in it. So then you can set them up whether you want to put them in your pantry or in your kitchen, or I've actually got them out here to put up for video games and remotes. So it just sticks right in there, which is super simple. You can take it, like I said, throw some remotes in there, holds it in there real nice, and then you don't have the clutter. Take your little pen here, and then it just writes on here what's in there, which is really nice. I love that it's a little marker, so that way you don't have all the little chalk dust. Or if you've got little video games and video supplies that you want to put in here, all of it will fit in here really nice with this nice size. And it just kind of cleans everything up to make that clutter just disappear. You have a nice little look, all of your things sitting here. You can easily write on it again, like I said, on both sides. And then if you did want to take it somewhere, you've got your nice case and you've got everything nice and organized. So here's this basket up close. I love how it's got this nice little thing here that you can actually put all your little chalkboard writing on. It's got a beautiful seagrass woven on all of the sides, and it's nice and deep to hold a variety of different things. Just looks really nice, organized for any area.